Morning, guys. September 10th, Thursday. Third math lesson of the week. It's lesson number 7. We're going to get some bigger numbers today, finally. Use words and digits to name numbers to hundred thousands. Compare numbers to the hundred thousands. That's your greater than, less than, or equal to. And then finally, use ordinal numbers to name the positions. Now, if we were in class, I would line you guys all up across the gym. And we have this big old race. And the guy that got across the finish line to me, well, we'd say that he got what place? First place. And the next kid would get second and third and fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh and all the way up to 28th place. That's all that ordinal numbers are. We'll take a look at how we use those when we're saying, hey, we're in line for a movie and we're in 4th place. How many people are in front of us? Well, 1, 2, 3. And how many people are after us? Well, 1, 2, 3, because I was in 4th place. All right, now let's take a look at these numbers to hundred thousands. We already did the ones, tens, hundreds, so let's just add to our chant here. We got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. You notice how it follows a pattern? We got the ones and we got the thousands. We got the tens, we got the 10,000. We got the hundreds, we got the 100,000s. So say them again with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. Now don't worry, you don't have to memorize that because we got this handy dandy math folder. Some of yours is green, some of yours is blue. There it is on page 13. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now don't forget there's a little comma in there. 1, 2, 3, comma. I like to say stomp it out. 1, 2, 3, comma. Every time we have 3 numbers, we should have a comma, and that's going to help us think about what places those are in. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, well, let's take a look at our examples here. Today, we want to divide our paper into sixths again. Divide it into sixths again. And example 1 says, use words to name, and then they got all these numbers. 5, 2, 3, 7, 0. 5, 2, 3, 7, 0. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now remember, that comma says thousands. So now what I like to say is let's chunk it. Take one chunk at a time. And let's always start at the beginning. The first chunk is just 52. 52, what? The comma says thousands. So let's go ahead and write that first. 50 hyphen 2. The comma said thousands. And then let's take the second chunk. The second chunk was 370. Say it with me. 370. 370. So we're going to break it into 2 chunks every time we have a comma. 52,370. Notice I didn't say 52,000 and 370. The and is a decimal, and there's no decimal here. So say it with me. 52,370. I almost threw an and in there. 52,370. Okay? Example number 2. If you're checking it out in your book, it says, use digits to write 150,000. 150,000. I like to chunk it. Here we go. 150,000. Remember, the comma means thousand. And the last part of the chunk says 234. 234. 150,000 with a comma, 234. Use those chunks to help you. 150,000, 234. Number example 13. Ding, 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 ding.